Want to speak real Japanese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at JapanesePod101.com.
ティリティティティティリティティティティリティティティティリティティティ。皆さん、こんにちは。Welcome to Kanji time. Today, let's do N3 Kanji. If you want to do the quiz first, please go to these times. ここです。This kanji means equip, provision, preparation. The on reading for this kanji is 備 as in 整備する meaning to maintain, facilitate. And the kun reading for this kanji is 備 as in 備える meaning to prepare, equip. This kanji means excel, surpass, superiority, gentleness. The on reading for this kanji is 優 as in 優秀 meaning excellent, excellent. And the kun reading for this kanji is やさ、すぐ as in 優しい meaning kind, thoughtful. This kanji means whole, entire, all, fulfill. The on reading for this kanji is 全 as in 全員 meaning all people. The kun reading for this kanji is 待った、すべ like in すべて meaning full, all. This kanji means together, both, and with. The on reading for this kanji is 共 like in 共通 meaning common, mutual. And the kun reading for this kanji is 共 as in 共に meaning together. 共に踊りましょう。ティリティティティ。This kanji means tool, utensil, ingredients, counter for armor. The on reading for this kanji is 具 like in 道具 meaning tool, instrument. And also 具体的, specific, concrete. Quiz time! Say the reading for the following kanji. 共通備える優しい具体的全員 Now say the meaning of the following words. 道具 tool, instrument 整備するTo maintain, facilitate. 優秀 excellent. 共に together. すべて whole, all. Thank you very much everyone for watching. Do you remember all the kanji we learned today? おー、優秀ですね。Excellent! See you next time. Bye bye, Kanji!